With the launch of the Galaxy S24 series in January 2024, it's not surprising that rumors and leaks are starting to circulate. Recently, these devices have been appearing frequently on benchmarking websites like Geekbench, giving us a sneak peek into the expected performance of this lineup. The Korean versions of the vanilla S24 and Ultra variant have now been spotted on Geekbench. As we've known for a while now, it's likely that the S24 Ultra will be powered by a version of Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 exclusively. For countries than the US, Canada, Korea, China, and Japan, the vanilla models will be powered by Exynos 2400. So, is this concerning? It's difficult to say at this point. Exynos chips have consistently shown performance in benchmarks compared to Snapdragon chips in recent years, but there is hope that the Exynos 2400 will mark a return to form given its 2 years of development. In the meantime, let's talk about the Geekbench listing. It shows that S24 has achieved a single-core score of 2051 and a multi-core score of 6204. Additionally, it seems like the S24 will be equipped with 8 gigs of RAM alongside its Exynos 2400 chipset. On the hand, we have the Ultra powered by 8 Gen 3. This one managed to achieve a single-core score of 2214 and a multi-core score of 6744. It's not surprising that it comes with a 12 gigs of RAM. We've previously discussed how these results indicate that for Galaxy devices, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 offers a clock speed that's faster by 100 MHz for both CPU and GPU compared to what other manufacturers use as their chipset. However, these numbers alone don't give us an understanding of Samsung's next-generation flagship lineup performance. To truly assess their capabilities, we'll need to get our hands on these devices ourselves. Considering the boosts in CPU and GPU power offered by these chipsets, it is reasonable to expect that these new handsets will outperform their predecessors significantly while also delivering improved AI functionality. Although it may disappoint fans, a possible solution for Samsung could be to use both Exynos and Snapdragon chips in the base and Plus models while exclusively using Snapdragon for the Ultra model. This approach strikes a balance by maintaining Samsung's partnership with Qualcomm while also reintroducing Exynos chips into the market. Additionally, this strategy could help reduce production costs, considering that prices of Snapdragon chipset have allegedly risen over the years and might continue to do so in the future. So, what are your expectations from upcoming S24 lineup? Share it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.